Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Investigations. Living. In the living person, cubital vein does not clean with spirit. Clean with soap in the water with a cubital vein. And 100 milligrams of sodium or potassium fluoride with 30 milligrams of potassium oxalate are used for 10 ml of blood for preservation. And analysis should be done within 7 days. Investigations in the dead. Best sample of blood is taken from femoral vein better than iliac vein. In embalmed body, alcohol can be estimated from vitreous and muscles. Once you have obtained the specimens, then the tests used for determining the alcohol concentration. We have three tests for determining alcohol concentration: Kozulka-Haim test, Cavett test, and for medico-legal purposes, we can use best medico-legal purposes. The best test is gas chromatographic test.
thank you and thank you for watching.